Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will be learning how to start up the Linux, and this is part 1 of the Linux startup lectures or lessons. First we will see how to start up the Linux. You will open the virtual box as you see here and choose the virtual machine that you have the Linux installed on and double click on it. It will open for you the command line interface. You will wait for this to complete. The system is now starting up. From here you will type root. You will type the user root, the name which will be root, and enter, and type your password and enter. As you see over here, this is the command line interface. From here you type your commands and this screen takes your command to the operating system. And this will be your screen if you install it on the computer itself. Here I have the Linux installed in a virtual machine, but this is the main command line interface, and this is different from the graphical user interface. First of all, we will see some basics in the command line interface, which will be the start of this course. We will see basics like setting up the network configuration, how to reboot and shut down the system, and how to connect to the system shell remotely by using the PuTTY software. But the PuTTY software part, we will see it in another lesson, and the network configuration also will be in the next lesson. So in this lesson we will see how to open the network card in the beginning. So to check my network, I will type the command ping, P-I-N-G, P-I-N-G, and then google.com, and this will try connecting to google.com by the command ping, and I am running this command to check my network. I press enter. As you see here, it said unknown host google.com, and that's because the network card is turned off. So to turn the network card on, I will type F up and then ETH0 and enter. It's now turning on the network card. As you see here, the word done. This means that the network card has been opened successfully. Now let's try to ping google.com again. I'll type ping google.com and press enter. And as you see, I am getting replies from google.com. This means that the network card is turned on and internet is okay. To stop those replies, I will press on Ctrl C. Now I will run the command ifconfig, ifconfig command to check the network card information. I'll press enter. Here it will display for me information about the network card, like the IP, the net mask, the default gateway, and of course this IP will change each time I reboot the system because this is not a static IP, and you will see how to assign a static IP in the next lesson. So sometimes when you type in the shell and you have the mouse out of the screen, the cursor of the mouse out of the screen, and then you would like to type again, it will disappear, as you have seen over here. So if the cursor disappears and you want to display it, you will press on the right control it will display the cursor for you. And sometimes if you leave the computer for a while, the command line interface screen will turn black. So to reveal, again press on the left control. To reboot the system, type the command reboot, REBOOT, and press enter. And this of course will start the shell. Sorry, I mean it will reboot the system. Then you press enter. It will get you back again to here, and it will start up the system. And now you will type root, then type your password and enter. And now it has opened again. And the last command we will learn in this lesson is how to power off the system. To power off the system, you will type the command power off and then press enter. Sorry, I have made a mistake over here. It will be power off all together. There is no spaces in the middle, and then press enter. And you can see here shutting down. It's shutting down the system. And by that we have learned how to open the system and how to shut it down and how to reboot and how does the command line interface looks like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.